Hello, how are you all? In this video, we are going to learn how to perform a binary search algorithm on a list array, right? Uh, I am performing it in a Python. You can write it in any other programming language. The logic will be same. Okay, right? First, let me declare a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Right? And I'll print it with their indexes so that you could clearly understand. For I in enumerate, enumerate is a function which prints the indexes and the values both, right? Okay. Now I need both indexes and values. Print I is the index and j is the value, right? We got indexes with values, right? Now we are going to perform a binary search algorithm. If you guys don't know about binary search, and then uh, you can ask me in the comment section. It is just a demonstration video, right? So let's take a initial value or a lower bound of an our list, which is L is equal to 0. 0 means our first element index, right? Now, and I mean h mean our highest value index, which is 9, right? And the value which we are going to find out is, let's say it's a 8, and we call it key. We are finding a value 8 and stored it in a key. Now run a condition based loop. It continues, our loop will continue until the left or lower value becomes equal or less than is equal to the higher value or higher index, right? Now find out the index midpoint of our list, which we can find out by adding the lowest and highest index and dividing by 2. Now simply check the key. If it is found at a mid, then we will print it, right? Print found at it, sorry, it should in a string. Key found at index, it found it at index, which is midpoint. Okay, in a binary search algorithm, our value is always found at midpoint. You must keep it in your mind. Now write another condition. If our value is not at a midpoint, then what should? If it is greater than the mid value, then we should move our lowest value or lowest bound from mid to the forward by adding 1, right? Now move it to the right. It should be in a LF, and it should be in a else. Oh, sorry, ELIF, elif, and invalid syntax. Incomplete input. mistake. Sorry, I don't forget to write the condition because I'm saying that okay, that the value, if the value which we are searching is greater than the midpoint, then it we should write a condition for that, right? If our key is greater than value of mid, then what should it do? It should move the midpoint to the by +1 to the next value, next, which is next to the midpoint, right? And after that, if the key value is less than the midpoint, if it is placing there, like 6 is our midpoint and it is placing right here, it could be at any place, but for that we'll write our condition that mid -1, mean to say uh, and the start our highest point was this. If our such value is in the first place, then we should place it before the midpoint, right? Now simply it says that list indices must be integer or slices not float. Okay, we did a mistake here. It is giving us a seal value, yeah, sorry, float value. No, we need a seal value, right? For that we will use seal division, or sorry, float division. My bad. Key found at index 7. So take a look at this. 7 we found at key 8, and we are in search of 8, which found at index 7, which found at index 7. I hope so this you find this video beneficial. Then don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.